Ladies and gentlemen, one thing I realized is I have no idea how I'm slicing together all these videos and like intros and outros for all that. So if you're seeing this, it is day 3. And we're stopping at the gas station quick. Say hello to Mr. Troy.
What's up?
Then getting back on the road, getting ripping again. So, like I said, this is the formal intro to the video. I don't remember much of last night, but it was fun. It was a good old time.
I'm having a rough morning.
Oh, no.
It's a rough morning.
They're having a worse morning than we are.
I don't know what's wrong. George goes, I don't have my keys. I go, what do you mean? He goes, my car keys, I don't have one. Goes to the room, digs through his whole suitcase. Then we go back in the hallway. He goes, I don't have my wallet.
Oh my God. Yo.
Took us 10 minutes to leave our hotel room.
Jeez.
Rough morning, boys.
Then we get to the gas station we're going to. None of the pumps work, none of the cars work. And we go to a different gas station. Hello, Florida.
Oh, those guys.
With the top down.
Dude, they sound so sick.
Ferrari has a radar camera, so we're chilling.
Nick B said he's off-roading.
I'm not off-roading, I'm backing up.
That's the cop right there. And he left his car here. He said, oh, screw these supercars ripping through the city. That dog's pooping on the beach. We can't have that. So we've been relatively good, staying safe this rally. Unfortunately, the Lamborghini and the 488 and the AMG GTC, I think it's called, got pulled over in this little town. But I think we're all good. Nobody's in handcuffs, nobody's in jail. We voyage on. I think we're about to hit another gas stop here in a few minutes. And then we're on our way to Chicago. Gas stop, baby! Woo! I think we're stopping for an hour or so. All these people just living in the moment. Not a phone in sight.
I'm making an Instagram post for our rally right now. Marketing.
He's working.
Yeah.
He's working. Quick lunch stop. And then we're back on the road in probably 30 minutes or so. Ordered a chicken quesadilla. Can't wait. Honestly, a bit tired. Might need some more caffeine, but rolling out of the second little stop after lunch. Update for the people. The Lambo got pulled over for the 3rd time on the rally. Those boys in the Ferrari 488, the Huracan, the AMG are just getting pulled over like crazy. So I think that was, 3rd time for each of them. They just, for some reason, attract a lot of attention. I think all is well. I think 1 or 2 tickets were given on this leg of the trip, but we're good. Knock on wood, so far. Traffic picked up. It is Saturday, so I don't know, we got a little weekend traffic going on.
That was a good idea. GG.
Holy shit.
Alright.
I'm gonna gap him real quick just so I gap the Ferrari.
Got in the elevator, you have to use the card thing, so I scan it against the thing. We're on the 9th floor, I hit 9. It doesn't move.
Sorry, I got distracted. We're here, ladies and gents. Hello there, police. Whoa!
She shows up in a unicorn costume to the launch. And it's a done deal. That's an easy fit. Haley Wright, best car. Fastest car, Eric Purdue, 5 the first hour of the rally. Get over here. Not to mention, he also got pulled over, 2 or 3 times? No tickets, he's still here, killing it. Jason Lambert, you're the
Clark, when are you training the AMG for one of these?
Tomorrow.
Not too shabby, eh?